Hey, what up, guys? I haven't made a video, only made one video on my vlogging channel. Right now I'm doing a collab with Cosmic Wolf. I'll put the link in the description. I'm not gonna be talking about much. We're just in a forest. I don't know why. We're just gonna like talk, I guess. So mainly what the channel's gonna be about is like me vlogging and stuff. And I might do some collabs with Shadow Wolf. I mean Cosmic Wolf. Shadow Wolf from my other friend. He's not here. Damn, this thorn.
Thorns, my finger.
Yeah, I got you.
Ow, it's stuck.
The thing is deep.
Stuck in my finger. Oh wow, it came out easy.
It wasn't even that deep. Okay, so I do not know what really we're gonna do.
I don't think this is good.
I don't think it is either.
Oh yeah, this is good. No, it's not.
Yes, it is, because the baseball field is right there.
I know, but this is not an actual trail. Dead end, I think.
You start from over there to here. There's like a split right. Well, it's not even a split right there. I don't know what to say about this YouTube channel. Like, it's just gonna be mostly about vlogging and probably like not 24, like us getting in trouble. Yeah, challenges. If you guys want to see us do some challenges, you can post in the description.
We can do a lot of stuff on this weekend.
Yeah, I could post a couple videos this weekend. Give me some challenges on like Walmart challenges or some other challenges. Up to you. I could do that. And shout me out so I get more subscribers, better videos and stuff. And if you're not subscribed to my gaming channel, you should subscribe to that. And yeah, what else should I say?
I don't know. Your video, please.
Oh. I know I only post like one video that's like super cringy. It's pretty funny though. I liked it. Oh, here's the trail. Oh, we're wrong.
Yeah, this is the main trail.
I remember some dude was in a middle. What is this? Orbeez?
Just sixlets.
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 Sixlets. Just open it up and just throw it.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Just launch it.
Still rolling?
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna figure out where else we're going. Let's continue.
Okay. I had nothing to continue with. Okay. Oh, dang, there's a puddle.
Yeah.
Just cross over there, I guess.
Ready?
Throw that the big thing. Hey, we lose connection. Oh, shit, it's like super muddy.
Oh, God, I'm wearing white shoes.
Hey, just climb up right here. Just climb up right here. Oh, this is an adventure video. No, I'm just kidding. Climb up right here. Climb up. Try and cross the border. Try and cross the border. Come on, I'm Mexican. I know how to cross the border. Okay, we just crossed like a little border.
I'm gonna do it.
Well, let's make some noise. It's about to fall on us. Hey, can we climb up there? No, I'm just kidding. That thing is huge.
That looks like a carnival ride.
Hey, that thing is. Dude, that thing about to fall.
We should do it in the hole.
No, we should have.
Connection everywhere.
Notice. What does it say?
Radio frequency environment area. Authorized personnel behind this. Blah blah blah.
Private property. No trespass. Violence will be pursued. Hey, cop just comes out underneath the thing. I just put a baseball here.
Notice.
This thing is.
I just stuff like this all the time on my channel. Well, I'm gonna start to. My other channel I did.
Check out Cosmic Wolf. He got some good videos. Look, I used to play baseball right there. This is where I used to practice, like a couple years ago.
Did they stop doing it?
Yeah, they stopped doing it here.
Don't they go over there on Black Oak?
Yeah, they do it in Black Oak now. Yeah. But Black Oak is far from me, so I don't do it anymore. Yeah. Yeah, so tell me what you guys want me to do. I'll do some challenges and what kind of videos you want.
You should do some type of dares.
Yeah, I can do some dares. Truth or dare or something like that.
Like I dare you to throw like a rock at the car or something.
No, nothing serious. Nothing like serious that's gonna get me like in jail time. You know what I mean?
No killing or no like.
I'm doing something like, hey, I dare you to go kill my friend.
Like stuff
that's like really bad. Like I'll do like something like, oh, go to Walmart and like start dancing on the counter. Like I'll do something like that. Okay? I swear.
Why would you throw a piece of rock at some like car?
Oh, I accidentally ended the video. I wasn't paying attention about I clicked, so I'm gonna have to edit that right now. Later. Hold on. Okay. Damn, there's Gatorade bottles still in here. I remember Vinny told me that they were up here, just jumping around up there, right? And then they got in trouble. The cops came. Yeah. I kind of want to go up there though.
Me too, but my hand's right.
Hold my phone. I'll go up there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Guys, see this? He's hopping the border. Oh, serious?
It's very steep.
Take this camera. Try to take it.
Like super steep.
Take the camera.
Yeah.
Take the camera. Stay up there.
It's super steep up here. Gotta put my feet up. Hope this fence don't collapse. I'm dead if this fence collapses. Oh, dang, look, a plane. Hello, plane. Ooh, it feels good up here. Ooh. It's actually pretty nice up here. Yeah. Now, how are we gonna get down?
I don't know. I hate doing that.
You're gonna have to get down first so you grab the camera. Here, I'll get down first. Here.
No, I'm good. I got you.
No. I want record me. Record me getting down. Just like that, you know?
There, you got a good camera too. It looked like you almost fell.
Okay, here comes Cosmic Wolf coming down. He's too fat. Nah, he's good. He's good. He's good.
I thought it was higher up.
Damn, how about getting up top? Yeah, that's what I was saying. How about getting up there?
That's for noobs.
Damn, that's kind of high though. You know what I mean?
I hurt my toe.
And if you're gonna have to do it, you gotta do it on the other side so you can get under.
Use the wall for, like,
yeah, too. Hey, if I get 10 likes on this video, I'll climb up there. All right? I'll climb up there. Yes, I'm dead, Daz. If I get no, 20 likes, cause I know I don't got that much subscribers on here. Just started this. If I get 20 likes, I'll climb up there. 20 likes. It show them how big that is too. If they think it's like some small stuff, we're gonna go around. That thing is huge. It's huge for me to climb. And like if I get 20 likes and I climb up there, if it's like kind of like messed up, then I don't know. I'm sorry, I can't climb up there because they kind of messed up. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Because it doesn't look that sturdy. It's old.
Nah, it's like very old.
What time is it?
5:12. Okay, we gotta go all the way around to climb that little fence. No.
That's not even.
Okay. Look. Grab the thing. Now back up. Look how high. We're gonna have to climb this, okay?
How tall are you?
No, we're close. I'm probably like 5 something. 5 like 6, I think.
Bet, put me up there, cause I'm
Look. This dude is real small, alright?
I'm literally 5 foot.
Look.
5 foot 5'1".
Look. It's huge, okay? Like a fake.
It's at least.
That camera is broken.
It's at least 12 feet high. At least.
I bet my friend Jordan came and like matched his shot.
He would have been Spider-Man.
Yeah, this.
This used to be a concession stand, wasn't it?
Yeah. No, that's the concession stand. This is the stand for the like how many points you have and stuff. Damn.
That's over there.
No, I'm talking like when they talk and stuff. See right there? They have the door.
Oh, this is like the
Damn, I'll be scared to climb up here, but if I get a lot of likes, I climb up here.
If you get 30, I'll pick lock this.
No, nope.
Fine, I'll just do it on my phone. I'll do it on my phone. Let's go this way.
Why?
Where are we gonna go?
I want to show them this. How about we go up there? That one's still kind of open. And we might get, if we get caught doing that, we're getting in trouble, so. Gotta get a lot of likes.
It's worth to get in trouble.
Yeah. So you better like this if you want to see me get in trouble or fall.
Imagine falling from that. That's at least a broken bone.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring something up there so I can like press down there so I can know like if it's sturdy. You know what I mean? Yeah. If it looks sturdy and you guys call me like a chicken, I don't care. I ain't gonna die. I mean like if it doesn't look sturdy, like oh you chicken.
Holy shit.
There's a bomb. Come on. No, there's an alarm on there. That's why. And that light just turned on too. That light thing?
Oh yeah. That's a sensor on it.
I know, but I don't want no cop show.
They're probably on their way already. It's like a silent alarm. Oh, first I thought it was a cop car that turned.
I swear to God, I'm dipping back to the forest. I'm like, Michael, come on, we gotta dip. This is like the a good.
I'm like, Julie, keep the camera rolling.
This will be the best second video ever.
The cops came. Well, this looks heavy.
What the hell is that? Let me see.
I don't know.
Let's get something for a car.
Let me see. The alarm system thing.
Who's over there? Let's see what it is. Might be one of our friends. No, who cares? I'm kind of down. Come on, let's go do it.
I don't think this is alarm system.
Throw it at the light.
Wheel.
I'm dipping.
Wait, you hear the alarm go off? Mm-hmm. I'm gone. We're still getting in trouble, but look at it. Yeah, it's worth it. That's what I'm doing. Why don't you record?
Yeah, thanks for recording, man. Thanks for telling me that.
I was like, dude, you have plenty of time to record. I would have done. If I had my phone right now, I would have recorded. I would have recorded.
Okay, go. Oh, there's no cars either. You missed. Grab it again.
I don't think it did anything.
I said throw it at the light. Hold up. Huh? Okay, guys. The alarm just went off right now, and we just dipped. I stopped the video because I thought it was like the video end, but no, the alarm went off, and then we just dipped. I think it went off. I think it stopped now, but freaking scared. Hey. Hey, if this one of my friends seen this, hey, don't snitch. Don't be a snitch. Okay. Stop. We're just gonna be like, oh, you did something right now? Okay. Did the alarm go off? Did it stop? I think it stopped. Alright.
That alarm was hella loud.
I know, I'm surprised you guys didn't even freaking hear that video. Like, it was loud.
I don't know if you guys heard it or not. Oh, you heard it.
Alright. Like the video, subscribe, and until next time.